You're the Institute's CEO and Executive Director, but not only are you that, you're also a CA. How do you feel about unification?
Well, Natasha, that's a really good question. As a CA, I'm very proud of my CA designation. I'm proud of the rigor of the process, of getting through that process. I still remember the day that I received the results of the UFI, knowing that I had successfully completed it, walking across that stage and receiving my designation. So I'm very proud of the CA designation. And as with any change, it's difficult. It's hard. You have emotional attachment to that designation, and it's something different. But as you look forward, you look globally, internationally, across the provinces, it's really exciting as well. There's going to be lots of opportunities, new opportunities that we may not have had before. And I always tell students, getting your designation is important. It's something to be very proud of, but really it's what you do with your designation after that that makes all the difference.
Some people say unification means dilution of the CA brand. How do you respond to that?
Well, Natasha, I actually see that as the opposite. I see it as a strengthening of the brand. It gives us the opportunity to take a look at what we do well, and build on that. I think as you enter the unification, as we transition over and we get into the CPA designation, we'll find that it's a stronger brand and that we'll continue to strengthen it and include the rigor and the standards that our current profession has and make it even better. The CA designation has a lot of history, and that history will be carried forward into the new brand. We won't be losing that. We have a lot of things to be proud of, and we'll carry those on into our new profession. I think it's good that people want to protect the brand. Over the past 100 years, we've built up a strong brand, and we want to carry that forward into the future.
Rachel, thank you for taking the time to sit down to talk to all of us about unification.